Yes, folks, we're travelling with a driving instructor.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
That's fine. I'm going to learn some new tricks, aren't I? Things I've forgotten.
Yeah, well, I will probably make some comments like this. I do comment out loud like this.
Just follow the car. I'm not sure where I'm going, but... Oh, we're going up on the upper deck. Dover number 9. Even up the upper. Amazing. Saving that for all the trucks, aren't they?
Spirit of France.
These things are massive, aren't they? When you see them sailing...
You will arrive at your destination at 21:04.
Oh, really? 21:04 tonight. Thanks very much.
That's the sat-nav for our destination in Sweden.
I've got this as a drive with care video, but I'm not sure that most punters watching my videos will be coming across the channel to drive with care.
Yeah, but they might want to travel to France and never have done it before.
Yeah, that's true.
So how do I do that, and how do I do it with care? How do I do it safely? Maybe they're worried about doing it.
10 kilometers per hour. I forget we've got this guy. So where's my sat nav going? Veering to the right, yeah?
I would follow the overhead gantries for now.
Cars have got to go that way. And of course, because we showed our passports in the beginning, we don't have to do it here, do we?
Shouldn't do.
We should be just sailing right. We're actually in France now.
Because we did the French border control in the UK. And then when we come back...
You will arrive at your destination at 23:15.
Oh, 11:15.
Okay.
That was earlier than I thought. Right.
So 14 hours to Sweden.
Yeah.
After 500 meters, keep left.
Cars. Where's he going?
I don't quite know where he's going.
Was he chosen by the border control? Or are we the border control? Stop stick. A stop stick. Have you brought your stop stick to work?
I left it at home.
Well, how are you going to stop anyone without a stop stick? Right, the A16 or the A26? What do we reckon? Doesn't say on the...
Keep left.
Keep left, okay.
Well, we know we're heading for Dunkirk, so...
Did the sign say Dunkirk?
No, but when we see some signs,
Okay.
it's all part of that driving, isn't it?
Well, we're in France and your little Peugeot is home.
It is, this is true. A16, there you go,
Okay.
Sat-nav's telling you.
70 kilometers per hour, no right turn. Yeah, this is confusing because I'm expecting to have vehicles on the right hand side, but they're all on the left, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's all merging into this lane, isn't it? So I'll get in this lane until I overtake. Oh, I'm going too fast. Slow down.
Because this technically now is your lane 1.
Yes. On the other side of the road, right?
Yeah.
Bends in the road. We've got the lanes merging.
It's that same feeling of 70 kilometres an hour is the same as 50 feeling too slow on a big open road.
Yeah. Oh, we can do 90 here. What's that, about 66, do you think?
Yeah, something like that. Come on, bruv. I had to be done.
It's good registration, isn't it? Calais Centre, 400 metres, dropped to 80 now. That's so random, isn't it? I suppose that's like being a 50 to a 40 to a 30.
The French here, like every time we come, like when you come off the ferry, it changes up and down so much.
So like 70 if you're turning right.
If you're coming off, yeah.
Yeah, that's what that was.
Yeah.
So we've got 90, so let's get 90. Now motorway, right?
Ahead, keep left, A16.
Okay, we want the A16. I see he's got a UK sticker on his car
Yeah.
because he hasn't got the little blue UK thing on his
Yeah.
number plate.
Yeah.
You have, but it'd be interesting to see if they've lobbed a UK sticker on for you.
They better not have.
They ought not to.
Well, what's even more interesting is that BMW in front of us didn't have any on,
Okay.
and they haven't lobbed anything on it. So I do have some bigger UK stickers like that in the boot if we need it, but I've got the blue UK stickers on the number plates.
That's usually enough, isn't it?
Yeah, it identifies us as coming from the UK, and that's all it needs.
After 800 metres, keep left, A16.
I don't want the massive UK sticker on the back of my car, basically. So
No. Right, so keep left, Dunkirk, Lille.
Keep left, then keep left.
I can see that the lanes are separating. So, no.
After 310 metres, keep left, A16. Then take the motorway.
So we're practically in Dunkirk, but we're not going to Dunkirk, are we?
no, it's a short journey.
Maybe we'll just let the video run till we get into Belgium then, I think, just to make it interesting. So Dunkirk to the left, people. We're not going to Dunkirk. Dunkirk,
Dunkirk.
which is where we were supposed to go.
Yeah.
That was some detour, wasn't it?
It was.
Then take the motorway.
I mean, it's about a 20-minute detour, so you know your video was probably meant to be maybe 20 minutes long,
Yeah.
and your viewers are probably going to get about 45 minutes. But fun.
Follow
Yeah.
for 22 kilometres.
And I've got lots of footage for the videos.
Yeah.
Right, coming into the lane. So we've got 130 kilometres allowed here. What were you going to say?
Well, I was just going to say they're probably watching me. I'm doing all my instructor stuff. I don't know if they've noticed that, but checking all my mirrors and doing all my usual stuff. It's just habit.
Yeah, and you shouldn't get out of that.
No, I probably won't ever.
You probably do that with your wife when you drive.
I do. Sorry, Lindsay. It's
In
just-
her car.
Yeah, yeah. It's more when I thank other drivers. It's the oh thanks, and then she's like, "What are you thanking them for?"
Yeah, I could have thanked them.
Yeah, habit. Sorry, love.
See, we could have had just this drive the whole way. We've taken our viewers all the way through the sunny, well, not sunny, but the
Overcast rural France.
Yeah.
Maybe it was planned.
Yeah, it's clearing up over there. Where is the Belgian border? Two traits Sécurité. Is that the border, do you think?
Not far. Not that.
Ostend is in Belgium, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or is it in Holland? It's in Belgium.
Not that Dad is trying to get rid of you, look. Of course.
Is that where we are when we do our bed and breakfast? It's not, is it?
No, we're in Dam.
Dam.
We're staying in Dam in Belgium on the way back.
Dam.
Dam. It was cheap, but also funny.
But it's proper Airbnb, so you can't go wrong.
Airbnb. It's £45 for the night.
So we're doing the A16 E40. Currently 111 kilometres in a 130 zone. With a lot of English cars around us. Okay.
Quite a few families on the ferry this morning heading to Disneyland.
Is that what they were, do you think?
Yeah, there's a few that were dressed in Disney stuff, a few that were talking about it. Not that I was eavesdropping.
And what about the kids?
Well, yeah, I think the adults were more excited than the kids.
No, I meant the adults being dressed up.
Oh, yeah, no, they were. They were.
Princess outfits.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse costumes.
There was one family all dressed in the same T-shirts and sparkly headbands. And
I didn't see that at all. I was not observant this morning.
you were very excited about this trip, to be fair. And your sausage and egg roll.
Yeah. Astonishingly expensive for what it was. But it didn't taste too bad.
No, it tasted quite nice. I think it was a sourdough roll, you know, which always makes a difference.
Yeah.
Drive with care, talking about breakfast rolls, there you go.
Lune plage. Plage being beach, right? And Lune being crazy beach. Oh, here we go. Lille, Bruxelles. It's got to be Brussels, right?
Yeah.
Bruxelles. I might actually do some editing of this footage. Just, get us through it.
Yeah. I think there's definitely some sections where you could speed the footage up
Oh, yeah.
and just zip it through.
Maybe we'll do that then.
Yeah.
See, there's another rappel. Oh, it's 110 zone here.
It is. It has been for a little while. But
Ambulance. I shall claim that on this journey I am the novice tourist trying my best to adhere to the speed limits and the rules. That was the van that I overtook, believe it or not.
you are the novice tourist.
I am.
I mean, when was the last time you were in France driving?
It would be 2008 or 10, something like that, so 14 years ago.
Yeah. I mean, Lindsay and I came back in the summer, but we went to City Europe, so you're talking half a mile from the Calais port.
Yeah.
So it's not exactly long distance. And at the moment, I'm not allowed to drive, so...
So you're still not going to be doing it, are you?
No.
Oh, in 400 metres it'll be 90 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That's nice to know, isn't it?
It's
In
a
the-
slowdown rather than a sudden.
Yeah, in the UK it's you're hitting 30, you better be doing 30.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Do it now or die.
Now we're in the 90. Traversée urbaine.
You're coming
Oh,
to
now-
an urban.
Vent violent. Vent being wind, right?
Yeah. Violent wind. It's just, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Violent wind.
Maybe that's where we get our word violent from the French. Violent. Remember that we were conquered by William the Conqueror 1066, and then our language changed to French. All the way up to, I think, Henry II was the first king to speak English. We're now in the 90 zone again. It's confusing, isn't it?
The 70 zone was for over 3.5 tonne.
Oh,
That's what it said on the thing.
I remember seeing that, but I didn't question it. So, let's get to 90. Where is the border? Must be here. We're not even in Dunkirk yet.
We're passing Dunkirk now.
I think we should wind the video up now, don't you? It's been
Well,
45 minutes,
It is, and we are at Dunkirk.
which is what I wanted to do originally.
It is. We are. The city centre is to our left.
So that was Calais to Dunkirk via an alternative route for reasons best known to the sat-nav, perhaps? Or me?
Yeah. Just slightly missing a turn, but
Yeah.
it's not.
So we'll end the video there. Thanks for watching. Drop some comments and hit some likes. Give us some French words that aren't rude. And catch up with us as we travel through Europe and do more drives. Bye for now. Drive with care.